Hey, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, subscribe so you can join the squad. So today's video is going to be the beginning of a series that I'm going to start on this channel. So I get a lot of random things from events, from jobs I do, and it's like almost cute, but then it has like a logo or it's not the right color, but I don't want to throw it away because I can transform it like you will see in this video. Today we're starting with sneakers that were the ugliest color of blue. They're cute New Balance sneakers, but like would never wear them in life. So I'm turning them into customized crystal colors for me and my liking. They turned out so good. I'm so excited to wear them. It's like getting a new pair of shoes even though I already had them, but like a new pair because they look completely different. So this segment is going to be turning free swag or stuff I already have into fabulous amazingness that I'll actually use. Have to come up with a name for it. Maybe I'll think of it. I don't know. So let's get started on the video. To start off, I am going in with a really small brush and going around the edges, trying not to get any outside of the lines, and I'm just filling in the inside of it and then going in with a flat, bigger brush to smooth it all in. Going in with a second and possibly third coat evens everything out and ensures a smooth, flawless finish when done and a nice shine to it. So now for the sparkles, I have to kind of glob it on. I know it looks gloppy and gloopy, but it actually dries down and kind of levels out itself, and the creamy color actually turns clear. Now using a really teeny brush, I am outlining everything very carefully. This is really sped up, so it will take less time to show you guys, but I'm just outlining everything, trying to be really careful that I don't get it on any other parts I've already painted. But obviously that did happen because I'm impatient, but this paint is extremely pigmented and I was able to fix my mistakes, no problem. I know this looks really streaky, but adding more coats fixes that, I promise. And yep, I am painting the fabric part. I am painting everything that you can see when your foot is in it that is blue. For the mesh, you really gotta work it in there. Yep. Even the tread that shows gets a little bit of black. These turned out so cute. I cannot wait to wear them. I'm so impressed with this leather paint. I don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. I feel like it's gonna be durable, and the sparkles are so sparkly. I love it. I was surprised how much coverage the white had. It was really thick but easy to work with, and the black is just nice and shiny and gorgeous. So now I have a brand new pair of sneakers I can wear. Yay! And I didn't pay for them. I just paid for the paint, but the paint will paint a bunch of other stuff, so win. Also, the inside is not stiff. It didn't dry really awful and stiff, so I don't think me painting the inside right here is going to be a problem or be annoying or scratch up my ankles. I will link those awesome paints down below, and yes, I am an Amazon partner, and I get an itty bitty percentage, like pennies, but I do get something, so if you guys click the links and buy it, it helps this channel out, so therefore I can buy more stuff to make content for you guys. Hope you like this video. Smash that like button, comment, I want to know what you guys thought of it, and also comment and let me know what other types of videos you would like to see from me. There's almost 6,000 of you guys now, so very excited. Love you all. You guys are making me so happy. I was thinking about doing some lives or some cooking stuff, like maybe cooking Fridays, maybe you can cook along with me. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what other stuff I can do besides just bedazzling and sparkling stuff every day, but that's kind of what I do anyway at home, so I just film it for you guys. But let me know what other content you would like to see on this channel. Would you like to see vlogs, like my everyday life? Would you like me to film a Q&A? Like, what do you guys want to see? Let me know in the comments below. I will respond to all of them. What are my arms doing? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next. Bye! Airplane. Thank you, Burbank Airport, for the lovely airplanes ruining my audio.